Hello everyone, I'm excited to bring you guys a new model from Autoart. So this is the Autoart Honda CB750F Baribari Legend. It's in the scale 1:12. It comes basically in a normal Autoart composite box. And it also specifies that this is the Autoart composite diecast model car. So it's with the serial number 12561. So this is how the box looks like. On top you have probably I have no idea what it talks about. Probably it's about some Japanese character. And if you see at the end, like, it talks about the normal things which it has: the detailed scale model for adult collectors made by Gateway Auto Art Limited, and yeah, the Honda official license. So let's quickly unbox this. So this comes in a standard composite box style. So it comes in a foam box. Okay, it's a bit tight. Yeah, so this is how it comes. It comes with an instruction as well, like how do you put this model out from the box. Like, it has screws. It talks about 4 screws, but it has only 1 screw, and it is very well packed. Let us open the box right now. So I lift it up, and now you can see the Honda CB750F. So the model is with just 1 screw here. So let me unscrew it as well. But yeah, before that, let us remove this foam boxes which protects the wheels. So this is for the front, so this is for the rear, and also it comes with a plastic which protects against the rubbing from the foam sheets, so for both the wheels. So I'm removing them. Yeah, so let's quickly remove the screw from the base. This is quite I've already opened the model and reviewed it many times, seen it many times. So I'm just going to remove this from the screw base. Yeah, so there you go. So this is the Honda CB750F from Autoart. So yeah, let's go ahead and see the model in details. So I've come across, sorry for the poor light. So this has a good front alloy wheel. So as you can see, like, we can rotate the wheels as well. So it has the disc brakes made up of aluminum finish. So I think it's metal, and if you touch this, you can easily feel that this is a photo etch part, so which usually other makers make in. Just give me a second. Yeah, so I just adjusted the light so that, like, it's visible for everyone. If you can see, like, you have a good fair amount of details visible on this now. So let's see through the different details which Autoart has put on this. You can see a very well finished engine, the Honda fuel tank, the Honda logo. Everything is very well done. If you can see the orange to red gradient color going on across, this looks really good. So it's very well painted, and you can see the CB750F text as well coming through the back. The tail light is pretty well detailed with the indicators, the license plate. And coming to the right side of the model bike, you can see the 4 cylinders as well, and it is pretty well replicated. You can see the Honda logo as well here. So there are many functional features in this. I'll show you guys right now. So it has this front working suspension, So, and the rear suspension as well. So the foldable footrests for both front and the rear passengers, sorry, I would say it as the riders and the pillion rider. So you can see this works very well. The headlight is pretty well detailed as well, you can see through here, and the front indicators as well. So it's been very nicely cabled across for each of the disc brakes, the speedo, and I think even for the rear brakes we can see the wiring, everything is done, even the clutch, the connectors everywhere. You can pretty much very well see all the details in the model. The model, as I think it comes with only one suspension, sorry, one silencer, but this is the engine cover which they have provided separately. I'll show that out. So basically in the box we get a helmet as well as the engine cover. The helmet is really well made. I'm just putting it out here. Okay, it comes in a plastic case, and you can very well see the details like the showy everything. It's pretty much very well detailed. You can even open the lid as well. So there you go. So this is the helmet which is present. Apart from that, like, we also get the engine undercover, probably the oil sump, which sits at the end of the engine. I find it pretty tough to fix it because the tolerance or like the gaps are very less in this one, and so maybe I'll just show it out. I'm not going to fit it on my model. So if you can see, so this is the part which actually goes under the model like this. How do I show it? Probably somewhere like this. So it's quite a tough fit, and I'm not going to fix it right now, so I'll just leave it as it is. So until and unless I actually display the model, I don't feel it to be fixed. So going on to the in details, you can see the speedo and the RPM, the cabling, the indicator details, everything is pretty much very nicely done. I'm zooming it a bit. So one thing what I've seen is missing is the key which used to come in the previous Autoart models like the Ducatis. Maybe we'll do a quick comparison for that as well. Yes, so the fuel cap is pretty well done. Let me zoom in and show it to you guys. The Honda logo, the cylinder heads, the cylinder, the Honda text. So overall it's a very good model. So but if you can see, like as I spoke, the engine wheel, sorry, the chain does not rotate on this model. Probably they could have done this, and they could have they should have actually put a photo etch parts like how we get on custom 1:12 model kits. So that would have really been a good value for this price point. So let me bring out a couple of other models which we can compare. So this is the Honda Goldwing from Mini Champs, and there you go. This is the Ducati Polesmart from Autoart. So let me zoom out. So all these are very well made models from both Autoart as well as Mini Champs. So as I spoke about the chain and the Autoart model which doesn't work in the CB750F, has if you can see on this model, so you can see very well the chain works, though it's probably a plastic. I would not say it as a plastic. So this is kind of a rubber thing, and it actually gives an authentic feel. So if you can see through here, the CB750F, there just above the handle, like you can see the ignition key, which that could have been a nice addition to this model as well in the CB750F. Yeah, coming and comparing the CB750F with the mini champs, again mini champs as well has very much great details, and the paint finish, everything is really good. So overall I would say the CB750F from Autoart has been a very good model, and I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing and like the video. Thank you. Have a great time ahead.